When we talk about the possessive form of the word is when we say that a person, a place, or a thing belongs to someone or to something. Usually we use an apostrophe. That's what I'm going to explain in this video for you guys, okay? We are going to talk about who has the property of something. Possessive form of the word is represented by adding an apostrophe to the word. The apostrophe is that little line that we put at the end of the word on the top, okay? We usually say the house of Rob. When we use the possessive form, we say Rob's house. The apostrophe S tells us that Robert or Rob has the possession of the house. That is why we put it at the end of the name, apostrophe S, to say that the house is his. Rob's house, okay? When the noun is plural or already has an S, we only put an apostrophe and we don't put another S. For example, in this case, dancers is plural because we have many dancers. We only put an apostrophe, and it's correct to say the dancers classroom. Okay, we cannot put another S because it would sound like the dancers class. Okay. The last example is when we have names that finish with S, like Carlos. If we want to say that Carlos has a property of something, we have to put the apostrophe and another S, but the pronunciation will be Carlos's. So we say Carlos's dog, the dog of Carlos, Carlos's dog. And that will be it for now. Thank you guys. Bye.